Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. The euro went down, showed data from Reuters. However, buyers feel confident because the euro is likely to rise again. Investors' concerns regarding a slowdown in the global economy vanished after China released strong economic data. Traders were cautious to buy the single currency on Tuesday, as several ECB officials questioned the eurozone's economic recovery this year. The euro-dollar pair fell and finished the day near 1.1280 mark. The bulls ruled in today's trade session, testing 1.13 level. The most popular pair reached 1.1314 in the beginning of the European session. Thus, it is controlled by buyers again. The US dollar is notably giving in the European trade amid the economic growth report from the first quarter from China that was better than expected. That news affected the greenback negatively. Industrial production and retail sales in China also exceeded expectations. Traders welcomed this positive data from China. The Euro bloc's news is in the spotlight. Annual inflation in the region slowed down in March to 1.4% from February 1.5% as expected. It is not a positive outlook for the euro. In addition, the German authorities significantly lowered their outlook for the country's economic growth in 2019. It is predicted that Germany's GDP will increase by only 0.5%. Last autumn, economic growth was supposed to reach 1.8%. The pound sterling's dynamic remains flat. Due to parliamentary holidays, it is unlikely that any decision on Brexit will be achieved soon. The pound-dollar pair is controlled by sellers. During the early trade, the pair fell to the level of 1.3039 versus the dollar, then it made unsuccessful attempt to correct. Today it became known that inflation in the UK did not yield to expectations of a moderate acceleration to 2% and remained stable at 1.9% in March. After the data was out, the pound continued to stand still. On Wednesday, gold slightly inched up amid investors' appetite for risk. However, it is still below the $1,300 level. June gold futures are trading at 1.278 per ounce on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Gold futures are likely not go beyond these limits in the coming days. Market activity will decrease as the Easter holidays approach. Traders want to close open positions before the long weekend, and therefore high volatility is expected. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.